Good morning, day 42. Here's my little room. It's behind the curtain. The room behind the curtain. And here's all my gear. Getting ready to slack pack today. So taking out all the stuff I don't need. Putting the things in that I do need. Having a little coffee. And we're getting picked up at 7. And we have 15 miles, tough miles, like lots of big mountains today. And I think it's going to rain, so it's a good day to slack pack. And for you that don't know, slack pack means you just take stuff for like a day hike. Food, water, filter. You don't need anything. This is the inside. This is the living room of the hostel. You don't need anything like camping gear or anything like that. Just stuff to get you through the day. And a raincoat, that type of thing. Okay, we'll talk to you when we're out on trail. Okay, we've been climbing since we started. That's the view. It's like soup out here, but we are slack packing and we love it.
Up there.
Okay, we made it to the summit of Mount Everett, not Everest. That's tomorrow. And it's 2602 feet. Doesn't sound like much, but we did it, and here's the beautiful view. It's all socked in. Okay. Top of some rock formation. There's a blaze there. It's raining. I don't know. There's no views, but thought I'd let you know. Thinking about you, just no views, nothing to film. Okay, we're looking for the last one, the last of the Mohicans. Okay, we are at the state line, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and it's raining, and this is Sage's Ravine. We have to cross. Mosey already went. I'm going to get prepped to go. It's a very pretty area if it wasn't raining.